You hit the road, but you don't realize I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back.
Alright guys, this is what his rims look like before. And then if you use this rubber paint, it turns into that. I don't know if you can even see that. Okay, there we go. So it goes from that, like a glossy matte color, from that. Just with this paint can. It's rubber, so you can just peel it off. It's like basically like a wrap. And then what you do, you just tuck the garbage bag back in here, do that, and place this down so you don't get anything on the ground. And then you just 4 light coats just over this, make it a little smooth, like 5 minutes in between each one. You'll come out with that. Calm down, wind. Alright, that's been sitting, that looks good. We're on about the 4th coat on this build. 4th or 5th, right? 4th. So we have 2 more. And then we're starting just the first coat. It's a little darker than that one, but first coat is a 0 coat. Alright, we're on the, that's 2nd coat, no coat. 5th or 6th coat, I can't remember. And this is 7th coat, still the best looking one. Car looks a lot better from this side. And then we're also gonna do the grill.
Grab that.
I don't know where that went. It's somewhere there. I'll get that in a second. And then it just like difference, like other side, this side, this side. I mean, you get it. So this is what the car used to look like, except for on the specific one we were using, the chrome on that was like peeling. That chrome grill on this one looks pretty good still. We changed the rims on that one. We put pinstripe. We wrapped half the mirrors. We did some interior stuff. We added diverters up there. We put a little lip right here, wrapped the emblem, put another pin strip right there, and then obviously we just did the rims. And we're thinking of maybe doing side skirts, but yeah, compared to what you've seen, this looks a lot better than, or the other one we're working on is a lot better than that. I mean, this is just, I mean, it's nice, but like, that looks better.